Hello, my name's Martin Miller and I live in Cornwall, and this is, if I get this right, this is Perranporth Beach just behind me here. I'll tell you there's a real significant reason as to why I'm filming here. I'm a business development coach and a sales trainer, and I'm all about people, process, habits, how to get the best from them and how to get the best for them. And the reason I'm here on this video now is to just tell you about my experience it started back in 2006 when I first met Elizabeth Pritchard, and I attended one of her 20-day training courses to become an NLP practitioner. And what I learned about myself, and I'm smiling as I do this because it continues to this day, this learning was incredible. It set me off on a path that I couldn't comprehend, and to see me back here, and I'll tell you about a goal that I'm about to fulfill this year to do with this beach and where I grew up. I essentially have taken all those skills forward, and it's helped me now to create a business around what I want to do. And what's interesting is that the skills that I'm using now, and Elizabeth spotted these skills and these talents in me back along, but it's taken me years of working through things, as we all have to work through stuff, some real dark moments in life, some real high moments in life, but to come through the other side. And I attribute this solely to the toolkit that I learnt to use on those back in 2006 that have become embedded within me, and I subsequently pass on to other people. So if you are an individual, a business owner, you're leading a team of people, you are hold a position in a corporation where you need to have some training facilitated, or you're perhaps a community leader, don't even hesitate. Don't even think about, do I need to or should I use Elizabeth's services? Just do it, because the effects will be absolutely phenomenal, guaranteed. I stand here today because I'm going to be doing something pretty madcap later on this year, which is skydiving, taking my skydiving license. Now this is really interesting because I never even used to get up a step ladder because I was afraid of heights, but I'm integrating this into my coaching lifestyle because I'm pretty much my business, because I lead from the front, and I'm doing some madcap things, and to help me work through that and to be able to throw myself out of a plane, not attached to anyone else, I hear you say. It all started back in 2006, and I'm smiling because it never stops. It's made me a better person. I show up in the world as a better contributor. I'm an awesome parent, and I'm saying that myself because we need to own these skills because of the things that I've learnt, and it takes time, it takes effort. So yeah, as I reiterated, don't even hesitate, give it a go. You'll be blown away by the skills that Elizabeth can bring to you and how it can have a long-lasting and impacting effect, not just on your life, but the lives of the people that you care about. Anyway, I hope this helps. Give it a go.